Primetime news this evening. Out on bail, Ruel Reid, Fritz Pinnock and 3 co-accused in multi-million-dollar fraud case given January date to return to court. Statement withdrawn. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck recants his views on police operation to arrest the accused in the fraud case. And stop the stigma. Health Ministry seeks to demystify mental health.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. What does the 2019 World Competitiveness Report say about Jamaica's economy? Well, the details in the business day.
Okay, from Vashon, we go to Karen for a look at what's happening in sports. Karen.
Well, Herman, a young, talented Premier League player, is hoping he can find a way back to football after being fired by his club after jumping a fence to fight spectators he said were dissing him. Now, he says, mea culpa. I will tell you the story later.
Ouch. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what do you think can be done to reduce the stigma surrounding mental health?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.